Whether you need to enhance security at your business or your home, smart protection begins with a call to surveillance technology. Our specialists design and install custom surveillance and access control solutions using the latest technologies from the world's top manufacturers. And we only select products that are proven to last in the unpredictable Florida climate. We offer an extensive collection of cameras and equipment, including industry-leading zero-latency 4K CCTV cameras that provide the highest quality images available. High-tech options are also available in our access control solutions, so whether you need a simple card reader at your front gate or biometric scanners at every door, we've got you covered. To maximize protection and mitigate risk, each project starts with a free site survey, so we can design a system that meets your specific security needs. We're fully licensed and insured, and all work is completed by our expert technicians, never untrained subcontractors. Start cutting your losses and revive your peace of mind. Contact Surveillance Technology today to schedule a consultation.